Hi friends, welcome back. In this video we'll see how to start indoor seeds. We learn what to do and how to do and what all we need. And these are seed starters. Nothing special. What's special about seed starters? The special is this 12 pack seed starters we found in dollar store. That's the most exciting and special part. And with these pots you don't need to repot them. You can directly put it into the ground and they decompose, so it's earth environmental friendly. And apart from all this is just for $1. So see, it's all ready, how nicely they are and how easily does it look. And I'm so excited when I found these in dollar store. So you can get those and start those, or I will show you other options, what all you can use with the available things at home and start indoor the seedlings. I took 60% peat moss and 40% compost and mix thoroughly. So you mix thoroughly and mix together completely. So everything is mixed perfectly. Peat moss and the compost should be completely mixed up. There are seed starters soil sold in stores. You can even get that, not a big deal. It's all your choice. This is what I'm using, and it's all your comfortability, and you do at your choice, and I'm using this. Why do we need to start in seeds indoors? Why not outdoors? Again, these are for spring planting only. We don't need these if we directly start after frost. The spring vegetables take over the time and we don't have place for the summer vegetables. We want to enjoy some spring vegetables which doesn't need very hot temperatures and that grows in little colder temperatures. So we can start enjoying soon. We don't want to wait for a long time. We want to start enjoying the vegetables as soon as possible. That's the whole point of being growing indoors. Why do we have to grow indoors? That's the point. If you want to enjoy the vegetables longer, so you need to take some precautions and you need to start indoors. And this video I am doing cabbage and broccoli, and very soon I will start other vegetables also. I'll keep showing you what all vegetables we can start inside. Let's fill all the pots we have, and for seed seedling, and again, like these seeds after sprouting, maybe starting in February we can plant them outside directly on the ground. So it start growing and we can get the we can get the cabbage and all in just 2 months after the plants, after we have the plants. So by the time we start our regular gardening, this will be ready to harvest and we can clean up this bed and use it for regular gardening like summer gardening. So this year we'll plan accordingly and do all that, so we enjoy the vegetables even in our colder temperatures and most time of the year. Let's see, we all keep learning. Newcomers, please learn. Experienced people, please share your thoughts so we can all learn and do the gardening. And with this, like these are the cabbage seeds and these are golden acre cabbage seeds. We'll drop like 2 or 3, maybe sometimes little more seeds in each pot, and then we should water it and cover it. So each cabbage comes with only one head. It doesn't grow many cabbages from one seed. One seed or one sampling, we get only one cabbage. We don't get many from one seed. Unlike other vegetables, from one eggplant tree we get lot of vegetables, whereas cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, all these head based. Even the carrot, from one seed one carrot. Radish, one seed one carrot. The same thing. Even the cabbage you need to do the spacing also because they take a lot of space. And that's the reason I don't want to do it in my garden bed, but this year as I'm starting early and I'm using only in spring. in spring, by the time our regular garden gets, we should be able to get yield from this, and then we can clear and then use our regular gardening. So as soon as you plant the seeds and cover with soil and water, then cover with this type of cover, or like any cover, like I'll show different type varieties in each video, so you can get to see all the varieties. So cover this, cover the tray like this, and that's it. You don't need to water for 1 week. Probably it should keep sprouting in 1 week. Let's see, we'll keep you posted on updates. And this is how then we should keep this on heat mat. I gave the description of the link I gave the link of heat mat in the description. If you need it, please go through it, and that's one of the best one. You can order it and with the reliable price, and it's on Amazon and it comes in couple of days, so it's your choice. You can find the description in Amazon, in the description box, the Amazon link. So turn on the heat mat and keep it on the heat mat, and that's it. The cabbage seeds is done, and now we want to do the broccoli seeds also. And these broccoli seeds we'll do. This is the Costco box. This is Costco box, and the cookies box. After emptied, I didn't throw them. We'll plant this in this box now. So take the enough quantity of soil in this box, and we'll start the seedling in this one. And these are the broccoli seeds I have. I don't know the variety of the seeds, so we'll start with the broccoli seeds and do slightly. We don't need a lot of broccoli heads, and from each broccoli head and cabbage head we'll get only one broccoli and one cabbage, like I said. So we don't need much, so do very few seeds. We don't need a lot of them, and they are very tiny seeds, like the cabbage and broccoli. They all look similar, and they are like tiny ones. Plant it, water them, and cover it. That's it. We don't need to touch it for 1 more week, and again keep this also in heat mat. So this is how we should start the seedling, and the heat mats and the light is helps a lot for growing. And many do in oven method also, but in oven I see that the growth is like not very healthy, so I stopped doing it and doing in this type of way. And this looks okay, and with this grow lights the plant looks healthy, and it was good. And I started indoor in last year, the gourds and all, and they were all good. And this year I'm starting broccoli and cabbage also. So this is how you need to sprinkle the water and cover it, and that's it. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer. I am also in the learning process. As you know, this gardening is learning. Every year we learn new lessons, and we keep learning. This never ends. So gardening is sharing. If we share like already experienced, please share your experience. If you are newcomers, do gardening. And like I said, we did these on heat mat, and they're all good going. So I'll keep you posted on updates. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and click on bell icon. If you click on bell icon, you'll get the notification as soon as I post the video. Thank you.